Here's how to properly take apart a skeleton. Grab the arm, it's right here. Grab the hand, and then it should take a little bit, but soon you will have. Actually, no. Why don't we start with the head? Yeah. So I might be a little bit dead, but not really. So now the arm, and then the other arm. Now we have to grab the leg and take off the leg and the other leg. So now you got this skeleton, and see how you can't just take it apart because it's connected to the spine, but we can use these extra pieces. There we go. Take apart the foot, boom, and these parts, boom. So for here, oh, sometimes